Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have a class on algebraic expressions. Actually, this is not at all a new chapter for you. Already you have learned in your previous classes. But in this class you are going to learn some more things. What are algebraic expressions? Before that, you must know what are constants and what are variables. What are constants? The fixed value, the quantities having the fixed value are known as constants. Fixed value, suppose 3 minus 5, 7, 3 means 3 only, minus 5, 7, all these quantities have fixed value. If it is so, what are variables? The name itself says vary, changes. Variables, they don't have fixed value. They have the various numerical values. Okay? They have various numerical values or their values vary. Okay? Various numerical values. And we use the letters, unknown numbers, these various numerical values I say, the unknown numbers we use as A, B, C, D up to Z, and these are said to be literals. These are said to be literals. Okay, and literals usually we use in algebra and we say them as variables. We say them as variables. Okay, by now I think it is clear to you what are constants, what are variables. A, B here, A, B, C, D up to Z we use X, Y and all. These are the variables. Actually they are the literals. In algebra we say them variables. Their value vary. Their values vary. And now let me explain you what is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means a combination of literals and variables. A combination of constants and variables. Constants and variables separated by plus or minus sign are known as algebraic expression, or expressions are known as expressions. It's a combination of constants and also literals. In algebra we say variables. Okay, and they are separated, or we can say they are connected by plus or minus sign. What is this? Let me give you an example. Suppose it is A plus B. A is a variable, B is a variable, they are connected by B. So A plus B is an algebraic expression. Let me give you one more expression, 2x minus 5. You see, 2x, x is variable, 2 into x, this is one term, 5 is another term, they are separated by minus sign. So it is an algebraic expression. Okay, and let me give you one more example. 3ab plus a square minus b square, etc. All these are said to be algebraic expressions. 3ab means 3 into a into b. This is complete thing is one term, because the terms, the common constant variable separated by plus or connected by, we can say plus or minus sign. Connected by plus or minus. If they are separated by plus or minus sign means we cannot say 3a is 1, b is 1, or 3 is one term, a is another term. We cannot say, because the terms of an expression are separated by plus or minus sign. They are connected. Constants and variables are connected by plus or minus sign means the variables, the terms. Here this particular expression is having two terms. One is A, other one is B. This is also having two terms. One is 2x, other one is minus 5, and this is 3ab, a square and minus b square are the three terms of this expression. Let me give you 3ab, a square minus b square are the three terms of this particular expression. And here 2x is one term, minus 5 is another term. And here a and b are the two terms of the expression. I hope this is clear to you. And what are like terms and what are unlike terms? Two or more terms, if they have the same variables, they are said to be like terms. Let me give you an example. Suppose 2a minus 5a, 6a, 11a. All these terms are having a. Okay? So these are like terms. These are like terms. Then what are unlike terms? Here you see 3ab, a square, b square. Here the variables are ab, here a square. Let me give you 3ab, a square minus b square. Here the variables are ab, here a square, here minus b square. So these are not like. So these are said to be unlike terms. So two or more terms having the same variables are known as like terms. If they don't have same variables, they are like terms, and if they have different variables, they are said to be unlike terms. Okay? And what is a polynomial? An expression having two or more terms is called a polynomial. An algebraic expression actually in which the powers of the variables are whole numbers, they are said to be polynomials. Okay? The algebraic expressions whose the powers of the variables are whole numbers, they are said to be the polynomials. Let me explain you what is that clearly. What is a polynomial? Okay? An algebraic expression in which the power of the variables is a whole number, they are said to be polynomials. Let me give you some examples which are polynomials, which are not polynomials. Let me explain you. 2x plus 1. Here the variable, the power of x is 1, power of y is also 1. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. 3ab. Actually 3ab is also an expression, it is having only one term 3ab. Power of a is 1, power of b is 1. So it is also a polynomial. Next. X square plus 1 by x. The meaning of 1 by x means x to the power minus 1. Already you have learned in chapter, in the previous classes, 1 by x means it is x to the power minus 1. Okay. So the power is minus 1 here. So it is not a polynomial. That means if the variable is in the denominator, it is not a polynomial. We can conclude. Same way, let me explain you. Square root of x plus 3x. Square root of x means x to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So it is also not a polynomial. I think by now it is clear to you what is polynomial, what is a polynomial. And now what are monomial, binomial, trinomial? Let me explain you. An expression having one term is known as a monomial. Monomial is having only one term. Here 3ab is monomial. Only x, 3ab, 4y square, all these are monomials. And binomial means an expression, algebraic expression having two terms. Here 2x plus y. 2x is one term plus y is another term. And a square plus ab, two terms are there. So this is binomial. And trinomial means an expression having three terms. Expression having three terms. A plus 2b minus 3c. 1, 2b is another term, minus 3c is another term. So it is a trinomial. And x plus y plus z, all these are trinomials, and expressions having more than three terms are known as multinomials. Okay? So algebra, what is a polynomial and what is not a polynomial, you must be clear. And what are monomial, binomial, trinomial and all. And one more thing you are going to learn is what is the degree of a polynomial. I will explain you what is the degree of a, well, these are number of terms, this one, okay. Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable is called the degree of the variable, okay. Degree of a polynomial, that is the highest power of the variables. The highest power of the variables in an algebraic expression. Okay. Let me explain you the degree of x plus 3yz is, this particular expression is having two terms. One is x, other one is 3yz. Power of x is 1. Here power of y is 1, power of z is 1. So for this term, the power is 1 plus 1, 2. Power of y is 1, power of z is 1. So the power of x is 1, power of 3 by z is 2. Highest power is 2. So degree of this expression is 2. Let me give you one more example. The degree of x square plus 3y cube minus 4y square plus 3x square y cube is, here only x, 2 is there, power 2, y 3, here y 2, here you see x and y both are there, power of x is 2, power of y is 3 and 2 plus 3 is 5. The power of this term of this expression is 5 and that is the highest power of this expression, polynomial. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. I hope this is clear to you. Number of terms and the monomial, binomial, trinomial and degree of a polynomial and so on. In the next class, you are going to learn the operations of algebraic expressions. Okay? Thank you.